Alright guys, so this video is simply on common chord progressions, alright? Again, chord progressions are simply the order in which chords are played throughout a song, okay? Again guys, these are common chord progressions, okay, that you will hear in various styles of music, alright? So let's dive right into it, okay? Alright guys, so the first chord progression is a 6-4-1-5 chord progression, or otherwise in the key of C, the 6 would be an A minor, the 4 would be an F major, the 1 would be a C major, and then the 5 would be a G major, okay? So I'm going to play those at 80 beats per minute, okay? So of course, feel free as always to play along with me. If you look at the first line, guys, the rhythm is different, but it's all quarter notes. All quarter notes. So every click of the metronome, you're going to play that chord, okay? So the chord progression is 2 A minors, 2 F majors, 2 C majors, and then 2 G majors, all right? Here we go, 80 beats per minute. And 1, 2, ready, begin. Simple, right? Okay. So now let's look at the second chord progression, okay? Most of all of these chord progressions will actually have the same chords, okay? You will just simply play them in a different order, okay? So the second chord progression is a 6-1-5-4, okay? It's a 6-1-5-4 chord progression. So the 6 would be an A minor, the 1 would be a C major, the 5 would be a G major, and the 4 again would be an F major chord, okay? So again, a 6-1-5-4 progression, okay? Here we go. 80 beats per minute. And 1, 2, ready, begin. Repeat it. That's it, guys. 6-1-5-4 chord progression, okay? Let's jump to the third one. The third chord progression is a 4-1-5-6 chord progression. Again, a 4-1-5-6 chord progression. The 4 in the key of C is an F major. The 1 is a C major, okay? The 5 is a G major, and then the 6 is an A minor chord. Again, the 4 is an F major. The 1 is a C major. The 5 is a G major chord, and the 6 is an A minor chord. All right, here we go. And 1, 2, ready, begin. Repeat that. All right, 4-1-5-6, okay? The next chord progression, again, same chords, but we're moving them around, okay? So the next chord progression, the fourth one, is a 4-6-5-1. Again, it's a 4-6-5-1 chord progression, okay? So again, the 4 would be an F major, the 6 is an A minor, the 5 is a G major, and the 1 is a C major. Again, the 4 is an F major, the 6 is an A minor, the 5 is a G major, and the 1 is a C major. All right, 4-6-5-1. Here we go. And 1, 2, ready, begin. Repeat it. Our fifth chord progression is now we're introducing the 2 chord, okay, which is a D minor. Okay, so our fifth chord progression is a 1-2-6-4, okay? Again, it's a 1-2-6-4 chord progression. So the 1 is a C major, the 2 is a D minor, the 6 is an A minor, and then back to the 4, which is an F major. Okay, so here we go. 1, 2, 6, 4. And 1, 2, ready, begin. Repeat it. Okay. So our next one, our sixth one, is a 1, 5, 6, 4 chord progression. Again, it's a 1, 5, 6, 4 chord progression. So the 1 is C major, the 5 is G major, the 6 is A minor, and the 4 is F major. Okay, so here we go. 1, 5, 6, 4. And 1, 2, ready, begin. Repeat it. All right, 1, 5, 6, 4. Okay. Our last and final chord progression, all right, that I want to introduce to you is a 1, 6, 4, 5 chord progression. Again, it's a 1, 6, 4, 5 chord progression. So the 1 is a C major, the 6 is an A minor, the 4 is an F major, and the 5 is a G major. Again, a 1, 6, 4, 5. Okay, so here we go. 1, 6, 4, 5. And 1, 2, ready, begin. So again, this is just an introduction to common chord progressions that you hear in various styles of music, okay? Again, continue to practice these, all right? Rewind the video if you need to. Maybe you find something that you even like, that you could probably compose songs on your own with, all right? Feel free to move around each of them. Maybe you do line 1 and then you jump to line 4, or maybe you do line 5 and jump to line 2. Whichever order you decide, feel free to do whatever you like, okay? Again, have fun with this, okay? I'll see you in the next video.